Hello and welcome to today's episode of Let's Talk with Mike. Today on the show, we shall be looking at how the new tax reform bills will boost small businesses in Nigeria. Join us for this amazing conversation. President Tinubu on June the 26th signed into law 4 critical tax reform bills. They are the Nigeria Tax Bill, the Nigeria Tax Administration Bill, the Nigeria Revenue Service Establishment Bill, and the Joint Revenue Board Establishment Bill. Now, these critical bills are meant to simplify the tax processes in Nigeria, cut red tape, and make businesses and life smooth for Nigerians and businessmen. Now, how will these tax reform bills benefit small businesses in Nigeria? Number one, exemption in paying companies' income tax. With these new tax reform bills, businesses with annual turnover of 50 million naira and below are exempted from paying companies' income tax. Before now, it was businesses with an annual turnover of 25 million naira and above that are exempted from paying companies' income tax. With this new regulation, businesses will now have more income, more capital to expand their businesses, pay salaries, and service other operational costs. Number two, simplified tax filing. With this new tax reform, small businesses with annual turnover of 50 million and above will now have a simplified process in filing their taxation. In fact, they no longer need audited account before they can file their tax processes. The tax reform bills has also automated the process of tax application, making it possible for you to file your tax returns without necessarily going to tax office. Now, this will help in the long run simplify the bureaucratic bottlenecks that hitherto hindered small businesses from filing their taxation. With this, you can now have ample time as a businessman to focus on your other business ventures. VAT exemption on some essential commodities. The new tax reform bill has also exempted the payment of value-added tax on some essential commodities, such like food, healthcare, and essential baby commodities. Now, as a businessman that provides or supplies these services, you are exempted from adding VAT to them, thus reducing the price of your commodities, which in the long run will attract more sales and profitability. Number 4, exemption on withholding tax. With the new tax reform bills, businessmen and women are now exempted from paying withholding tax. Now, withholding tax is a tax that is deducted from source, from payments made to individuals and businesses. This implies that as a businessman, you are not expected to pay any withholding tax when you are paying salaries to your workers or when you are paying for essential goods and services. Finally, favorable business climate. The new tax reform bill has made the business landscape favorable for businessmen and women. This is because the bill has succeeded in expunging over 50 duplicated multiple taxation that before now had crippled businessmen and women. But with these new fiscal reforms, businessmen and women now pay streamlined taxation, thus giving them the opportunity to grow and expand their business. Are you a businessman or woman? Let me hear from you. How do you think these reforms will help grow your business? Please drop your views in the comment section below. And that is the size of our today's package. If you found this episode interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing updates. Until next time, thanks for watching.